Welcome back to the show. Now, in our moment of the week, we are taking a look at UniCredit. The Italian bank announced it was converting its derivatives position in Commerzbank into shares and intends to increase its equity stake to around 29%. Now, the bank said with these steps, UniCredit becomes Commerzbank's largest reference shareholder. But why does this matter? Well, analysts took the announcement as a sign that Andrea Orcel is not backing down from a potential buyout of Commerzbank. But JP Morgan analysts doubt a full bid is the logical next step. That said, the conversion does signal that UniCredit's investment is longer term and that the group is prepared to wait for the right time in their view, even if it implies holding on to the stake for years. Commerzbank shares have nearly doubled in value for the year. Take a look at the chart. The charts were up almost 100% over the past 12 months. And speaking to CNBC back in June, Andrea Orcel said that now is not the time to move on Commerzbank, given the share price.
We're not going to move for the time being until we have a constructing solution with the government. But at the same time, it is also fair that the government considers that we got in because we were invited. Now we have an investment that is worth 9 billion in that bank, and that we need to do the interest of our shareholders as well.
The share price has risen a lot.
Yes.
Commerzbank. Is it still attractive because you want to do something good for your shareholders at that price level to put another premium on the share price and to make an offer?
So, first of all, as I said, at the moment we are far away from that. Secondly, in our opinion, the share price has gone well beyond the fundamentals. There is a lot of activity which is directed at keeping the share price at higher level that we see every day. But we're patient because that activity eventually will run into losses. You cannot have a bank that has not changed very much and that has performed in terms of the underlying as they have performed in Q4 and in Q1, that went from being the lowest valued in Europe to 11.5 times earnings based on what exactly? So no, at this level, we would not see value for our investors. Actually, we are very happy for the gain we've had on the 30,
obviously.
but we wouldn't see value for our investors.